Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Ofada stew. So this is a native Nigerian stew. To begin, I have 2 red bell peppers. So all I did was clean inside and take out the seed. You don't want the seeds in the bell peppers when you process it because it's going to make it bitter. Okay, so 2 of the red ones. I have 3 onion bulbs. I have 4 green bell peppers. I have some beef. And I have some beef kidneys, okay? I have some already cooked cow feet. I'm using just 4, but these are already cooked, they're already soft. I have some cow skin already cooked as well. I have some honeycomb stripe. I have some washed snail. I have 5 boiled eggs. I have some mackerel fish. I have a combination of yellow and red habanero peppers. I have locust beans. I have chopped ginger and garlic combination right here. I have some seasoning. I have some thyme. I have some curry. I have some grinded crayfish. And to top it all off, I have my red palm oil. So let's go ahead and start cooking, guys. You want to go in here with the beef kidney, some honeycomb stripe. I'm not going to use everything, just keep a little bit. Go in with the fish. So I'm going to season this with ginger and garlic, add the thyme, add the curry, add some seasoning, add some crayfish. I like to steam with crayfish. Some salt. We're going with some habanero pepper. We're going with 1 onion bulb. Okay. Take it to the stove and let it sweat out. So I have your already cooked liver. So this is beef liver. Okay. So as you can see, the proteins already release a lot of water. And add just a glass of water. So I'm going to go into my food processor with the bell peppers. And the onion. I'm not going to add any water because bell pepper contains a lot of water. Okay. So you're gonna roughly grind this. You don't want it to be too smooth. Okay, I'm gonna sieve this out and just let all the liquid drain. So I'll do this in 2 batches. So guys, because the beef and the other stuff is almost ready, so I'm going to put in the snail and let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then I'll take everything off of the fire. So this is ready. I'm going to take it out and transfer to the oven, okay? So you can fry your proteins if you want, but I just prefer to bake it in the oven. While my beef is baking in the oven, I'll go ahead and boil some rice. So to make the Ofada stew, we're gonna bleach some red palm oil. After bleaching your red palm oil, it should look like this. Please allow the bleached palm oil to cool down completely before adding anything to the pot. This is a matter of safety and should be taken very seriously, okay? Serious fire can occur. So let it cool down before adding anything to the pot. Thank you. So now, I'm going to go in with some onion. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the locust beans. Going with the crayfish. Some seasoning. So I'm going to come in here with the bell peppers. I'm going to let it fry until the oil start coming up on top. I added 2 more bell peppers, okay? You can see the oil on top of the peppers, so now you know it's time to add the other stuff. Okay. I'll go in with the snail, cow skin, so you transfer this from the oven, decorate, also from the oven, this. Okay, so you add everything. I'm going to come in with a little bit of beef stock. I'm going to come here with some crowns, more crayfish, then it's time for some eggs. I'm going with the egg. Cover 2 more minutes and this Ofada sauce is ready. Ofada stew, Ofada sauce, whatever you want to call it. So guys, just like that, this Ofada stew is ready. There you go guys. I'm gonna be eating this Ofada stew with white rice and plantain. Okay, so let's go in for a taste. Oops. Thank you so much, ninjas, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.